Alright, hello everybody, my name is Dom, and this is my average life, and today, we are playing Subnautica, and by we I mean me and my little brother, Zachary.
What's up?
I am a field service engineer during the day, and I guess when I have time off, a gamer. I go to the gym, I do loads of things, and hopefully this is going to be starting something great. I hope I stick to it. Alright, I'm picking the same character that I did. This is the second time we're recording this. The first time I recorded it, I could not hear my brother, so... Granted, we were only doing it for about 5 minutes.
Tried to get kicked out.
Yeah.
I got kicked out.
You got kicked out?
No, I'm saying like this is the voice chat.
I shouldn't have anything recording you.
Body print complete. PDA implant reset to factory settings.
Reset to factory settings. Oh my god. Are we in? What is this resolution?
Warning. Atmospheric pressure above human
Ah, that's a
maximum.
better.
Projected lifespan
Tab.
13 minutes.
Oh.
Adaptation required.
No, I just got uploaded. Oh, it has my DNA downloaded now. Great. I'm just gonna 3D print myself again. Blueprints. Mild acid. Salvage titanium, glass, fiber, rubber, grease. Basic fins, and standard air tank. Whoa, that's too quick! My sensitivity is like a million miles an hour.
I know, I told you, right? I had to turn mine down.
Where's it at? Controls, horizontal sensitivity. Yeah, let's go down to like 20. That's a better. The slowest gameplay known to man. Oh my god.
First time.
Thanks to Altera Pioneer Nanotech, your body can adapt.
Alright. Ready. Stick your hand in this thing.
Stick my hand in it.
Gene
There you go.
donor found. You must adapt alien traits to survive. Sample. Adapting trimethylene and oxide synthesis. Pressure tolerance increased. Vital signs stable.
A few moments later.
Let's go, baby.
There you go.
Woo!
Barometric depth gauge.
Holy shit.
Holy, it's dark.
Accident has occurred.
Whoa, what the
Your
fuck?
sleep lane has been separated from the cicada. You must reach the surface and send a distress call.
Okay, there's a tsunami going on. There's an earthquake going on. I'm about to drown, actually.
There are no other life pods in inventory.
Ah,
Unless you
power.
can return with rescue.
Give me the power!
Stored colonists
Ooh.
will remain trapped here.
Oh, easy mount file. Copy anyway, man. Done. Thank you. The sleep aid was extremely confined.
The life pods manually because they're corroded. Come on,
I
let's go.
see. I'm trying to. I have to launch. It's asking me. I know. Let me out. Okay. Where you at? Where's the life?
Gotta go
pod
out.
at?
I don't know.
Alright. Life pod. Where's my auction? Oh, there we go. It's the bottom left.
I didn't even realize. Yeah, I didn't even see that. I'm going back to get more options real quick.
Life pod, life pod, life pod. I put money, it's down? I wish I had a light. I'm gonna grab some air before I keep exploring. I think I'm gonna drown. This isn't. Oh, that's more good. It's just how I customize myself.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Try and go down.
I don't think we're supposed to go this way.
Nah, it might be up, honestly.
Oh, wait. This.
Ah. Why is Lily young himself? Oh, Jesus.
Poor man.
Print terminated by
Alright, what did that do?
barotrauma.
I'm going like rare.
Barotrauma. I'm gonna get some air because running out. Holy crap. And you really struggle for auction. What did you do?
Huh?
Everything's shaking.
Oh, I didn't do none.
And Why your legs move so fast under the water, bro? Jesus. Oh, that's where we came from. Great.
Where did we go? Oh, on the backside, maybe?
I'm in! Oh, use. I found something?
Necessary adaptation.
Why are you scanning me?
Beautiful work.
Oh. Oh, I'm back in. It's scanned in my butt.
User death imminent. Proceed to adaptation.
I'm gonna use your death is imminent. Don't die. I'm out. Don't scan me again. Man, he said WD-40 on this door. Hey!
Where did we go, dude?
Maybe behind? Possibly behind? This way? Oh, yeah. I think, yeah. Kill me it! Got one.
Oh, damn. I
got
literally
two.
went behind here.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Don't lie.
I literally did, bro. Literally
No, I don't believe you. Look at your
I'm dead.
dumb ass out here. You said I'm dead.
did. I need oxygen.
Launch.
Prepare for launch.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Life pod release. Trajectory error. Collision. Thrusters disabled. Clearing main thrusters. Stand by.
Chill.
Oh, bro, we're literally sinking to the fucking deep bed.
Depths of hell.
We're dead.
Restored.
Dude, what'd you
We're done.
do?
Orientation.
Bro, you clicked it, bro.
God, no, bro, you. Oh my god, you're throwing.
No, bro, why?
What?
Releasing parachute.
Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh, I just don't have back pain for the rest of my life after that.
Yeah.
Tough. I just, my skull just got caved in by glass.
Yep. Yep.
Wake up. Signature on the horizon.
Yo.
Subnautica. That is a good ass intro to a game, and
You are not on
well coded.
Pioneer.
To talk about the coding in this game, the fact that it's only 13 gigabytes and they were able to optimize the driver and the engine that well is very impressive. Apex Legends is like 70 gigabytes.
Yeah, it's insane.
Call of Duty, you need to buy a whole nother SSD for.
Yeah, you. Alright, so let's figure out what this.
Fabricator, standard
this
air tank,
creates stuff.
basic fins, survivor multi-tool.
This is our storage.
Standard issue pioneer tool for harvesting tougher materials.
Nutrient block.
Critical survival tools.
Are you just gonna go out?
Scans are able to generate and data bank entries and fabricate blueprints. Yeah, we need to go collect stuff from what it seems like. What is this? Basic first aid kit. Emergency medical sensor. Okay, cool. Gives you health. Water. I always. Okay, we're just gonna have to survive off of water for a little bit because I don't think we can make anything. All right. Let's.
Yeah, no, we just gotta go around and just.
Colony is your
Yo.
best chance.
Yo.
A prolonged search will require food and
I
water.
think there's.
From hand tools
Got some
to
titanium?
corrosion-resistant habitats, titanium is an ideal
Look on the
structural
walls and
material.
shit. There should be shit we can grab.
Yeah, I mean. Oh, there's a. I don't know what that is, but it's blue smoke at me. Underwater smoke. Underwater smoke.
I got some titanium.
Is that thing cut in half? Oh no, it's just two fish.
Tracking a bloom of viral activity at the same source. Investigate with caution.
Ooh. Wanna grab it? Come here! Yeah, you can grab him! What?
Colony structure located.
I don't know if I can grab you. You don't know. You look dangerous!
Alright.
To the location of the main habitat.
I don't know which is the thing. Give me that. Give me that. I got fish.
Me too.
Fish are friend, not food. Oh, I gotta go to some air real quick. What is in here? Alright, I think blueprints? That tool?
Critical warning.
Oh, you're over there? Yeah, I don't know.
Expected Caesar and
I right clicking it means you eat it. I ate it.
digest this world's life. You must
Yeah,
locate
I did that also.
and adapt its enzymes.
Well, I didn't adapt any enzymes. I just shoved it into my mouth and hoped I didn't die from it. Ooh, there's stuff down there. You can't use that. I'm gonna put some air.
Oxygen.
We need to go drop stuff off at the base, at the survival pod, the life pod. Oh, it's like a hot air balloon fish.
So, yeah, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's ginormous. So, you seen an inventory? Let me just drop. I'm dropping a bunch of what is this? Titanium in the base. Just to be all on the ground. Whee! Can I get in this? Let me in! No. More titanium. What does silver look like is the question. Doesn't like that sound. Ew, what are those things?
Slugs are used to get water.
Yeah, there's like a billion of them. Do you eat them? Is that what you do?
No, you can't eat them. No, you can't eat them. You make water bottles out of them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just eat the whole fish. Now I have water. It's a big fish.
I'm putting the water bottles into storage. We have storage, you know that, right?
Oh, we do? No, I did not. I just dropped everything on the ground. If you look on the ground, there's plenty of stuff.
Probably see it, bro.
Oh, I think I can get this stuff. I can. Coral. Nope, that doesn't work. More coral.
One eternity later.
Come here. Come here, boy! Oh, I got him.
You have rope, you said?
Nope, I lied to you.
Or not rope, what was it?
Digestive? He's incompatible. I can't eat him. That's lame.
Oxygen.
Yeah, I know. Oxygen, bro. That's probably gonna get in the future. Alright, this thing's indestructible. Cool. Oh, what is that thing? Alright, I think I ventured too far. There's a bunch of big things. It doesn't look nice. He's swimming right towards the base? The life pod? Did we stay out too long?
What is?
Why are you running?
No, stay back. You fucking peasant. Beat his ass! Beat his ass!
Oxygen.
Oh, I found another one of those storage units.
Yeah, grab those.
Poop air, yes, no. I haven't pooped air yet. Air poop. Oh, we should bring them, like, inside. Oh, I'd drop it.
Oh, let's go find rubber, bro. We need rubber.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying to...
Go over here.
Outside the base. You just left it outside. I don't know why we didn't just... Oh, yeah. Do I have to open it? Oh, I do. Get out of here. I have a handful of fish in my inventory. I can just throw it at one of them.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I need water.
There's water in the basin, pretty sure.
Yeah. I got a slug on me too, so.
You can make water with those.
It's like Avatar with the color. Ooh.
There is no sign of plant life on this
Hey, was that
world.
it?
This waxy fiber is closer to vinyl
Gorgon.
latex than cellulose. Committed
Curtain Gorgon.
vegetarians should expect protein.
Hey, what's that sound like? Those noises. Whoa! What is that thing?
The noetic advisor
What happened?
has transmitted an
What
alert.
is that?
Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Oh, I'm drowning.
Oh, go back to the life fort.
Yeah. I think we need to. Dude, the atmosphere in this game is awesome.
I know, bro.
It gives you such a it really immerses you, which is how vibrant
Yeah,
the
it does.
planet is, bro. I'm so looking forward to Light No Fire. If anyone in the chat is also looking forward to Light No Fire, please put it down in the comments.
Seek fresh water intake.
That game looks awesome.
I've been waiting for 2 years for that, and I can't. It's not Dan Clancy. If it is, it is. I don't think it's Dan Clancy. No, Sean Murray. It's Sean Murray. If Sean Murray drops another hint, I'm all over it. But I feel like it's one of those games that I'd rather them overcook it than undercook it, like they did with No Man's Sky. Cooking these things, cook them up.
We got an air bladder.
I just made a bunch of food. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Critical warning. Stomach failure. Expected caesarean proteins.
Oh,
found
digestive
on mammalian
incompatibilities.
tissue.
Alright, let's not eat you then. Look at this.
Unable to digest. Adaptation.
I'm unable to digest everything!
For digestive distress.
Oh, you need fibers? I have fibers on me. Right?
Yeah. Fibers to make the,
Look at you. Some fibers on the ground.
We need fiber and rubber to make the fins, basic fins, so we can move faster.
Oh. Oh wait, I got some fiber. I dropped some of the stuff on the ground that you needed. What was that thing? Nutritional block. Oh my, I just ate a block of nutrition. Let's go. It's one whole block of nutrition.
Chat, we're cooking, chat.
I'm making glass because I can.
Find it.
What's it?
Oh, you need this, Dom. This is good. This is really good.
What'd you... Oh, great. I'm so glad it's so good. What do you have? Whoa! Where'd you get that?
The air bladder. You gotta make it out of, I don't even know, honestly. I just...
It's Squidward! No, that's not Squid. That's not Squidward. Mr. Krabs. Why does he look like that? Beat his ass. Fucking... God, indestructible ass! I need to go back to the little pod. Welcome Center. Oh, it's telling us to go to the Welcome Center. You see that?
Huh?
See the Welcome Center? Like it has the arrow on it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go drop myself off at the life pod. For those who are watching, what do you guys think of Subnautica, and have you played it? So far, it's like a
Unable to digest. Adaptation required.
just eating
Brace for
everything.
digestive distress.
Oh great! I have explosive diarrhea because I ate that fish. Lovely. So far the game it's quite interesting. Yeah, I think it's the ambiance and the actual game like atmosphere is awesome. The progression, I feel, yeah, I'm
slow.
Yeah, maybe I'm just a little dumb. It doesn't seem. It's definitely not direct. You have to kind of. It's like a Minecraft kind of. You got to figure out what you need to do. It's not gonna tell you.
No power. We need to get power to this
Yeah,
thing.
I know. I don't know how to get power to it though. This.
Open battery.
Oh, so we need to find a battery somewhere. Is there not a battery? Did I not have it? Is that all that was in here? Frame protector? I may have already grabbed the battery, to be honest with you. It might be in the base.
Brother man.
Brother man.
Wait, I found another download.
Do you know that this world doesn't have to be our enemy? Do you feel the call of the tree? Do you know the day of the Jubilee is coming? When
The
we
Jubilee?
are released from our debts and allowed to live our lives, find us at Camp 1.
Bro is really excited for us to come by. No sir, it doesn't look like there's a battery on, I think I might have lied to you about that battery.
Alright.
May have lied a little bit about the battery. I don't know the batteries. Oh, here it is. It's 2 copper and acidic. Oh, we already have those. I don't know how to say. How do you even say that? Acidic rayon pouch.
Hell yeah, girl.
Yeah, baby girl. I already have some of those though. Alright.
In the
Alright.
Expected seasonal protein.
Oh
Yeah,
my god.
dumb.
We fucking shit out the front door.
Has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
big ass him.
Can you eat me up some food? Can you eat me some food?
I
Ooh,
printed
what am I
26
gonna
colonists before the sleep day drowned.
Like heat me up
This is my purpose. To reincarnate you from digital storage, support your work, and if necessary, reverse your death.
Seek fresh water intake.
I'm monitoring noxiously elevated viral loads in the seawater. Heavy metal assays detect bone blistering levels of...
I need water, so let me
dude.
Alright, I know I feel like we have coal shavings. No, to make a battery, it's pretty simple. I could have sworn I've already gotten them though. That's why I'm a bit confused. The copper I don't have, but the acidic rayon pouch, I feel like I've already gotten. Well, I know where to get them at least. What do they look like? What's that thing? That shitter. Smack it a couple times.
Acid can be used to make basic chemical batteries.
Blast! Nope, I just got roasted by acid. That's lovely.
Brother man.
Brother man, I had to get the pouch, bro. I had to get the stuff for the battery. You have copper? Where's that copper you had?
It's in the it's in the pod thing.
Copper.
Is key to simple electronics. Bacterial action creates copper on cave roofs and overhangs.
Oh. W bacteria. Copper printing bacteria, gotta love it. Have that? Oh. What if I have extra swimming time? whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm gonna put the battery in the thing over here if you want to come over.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I'm putting the battery in here because you're taking too long.
Put
All
it in there.
systems online. Power connected.
Welcome back, Pioneer. I'm Sophie Boucher, Kurultai surgeon. By now you know we're not on the Zora. We call this planet Proteus. We don't know when rescue will find us. For the sake of all our sleeping friends, we have to learn how to survive. Naima?
Hey, fellow
Oh,
dead slave.
a biolab.
I'm a human Dakota, ecologist. Take a sip
Oh.
of seawater.
This is how you get
That sweet
upgrades.
blood taste under the salt. That's a
Experiment
toxic dose of heavy
to
metals.
find your
Nobody
way.
survived past 3 months. A beautiful place to die over and over again.
But don't let that beauty seduce you, Pioneer. Exposure to Proteus causes a delusion.
Oh, actually,
called
that's actually kinda
Mayfield
cool.
syndrome.
The
core
game
of
doesn't,
People may tell
Hey,
you it's a gift.
let me in!
Ignore them. You remember what Kara did to our homes. You know we can't trust alien biology.
Oxygen
We've set up a
control,
lab here with a few
seas.
basic biomods.
Doing faster when close to underwater
Start to
surfaces.
hear voices, or if you get
Slow
the urge
oxygen
to
consumption
swim to a
when
tree, don't go. Habitat is due north. We'll come pick you up. See you soon, Pioneer.
What? Oh, this gives you health. Nice. You just come launching out of the water? Well, that's a cool
Yeah,
upgrade
okay.
machine. So that's how you get perks for your characters, I suppose. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, it's definitely time. A little bit of a longer video.
What, that was 30 minutes already?
That was almost an hour.
What?
Okay, everybody, we're gonna call this for the first video for the channel. Please like and subscribe and tune in next time if you're interested and you want to see more of us playing Subnautica 2.